do another one. Okay, so this is a easy updated way. We talked about how you could use bits of plastic. This is a Folgers coffee can decaf that we cut up into little 1-inch squares, and the staples don't go through it. Sounds like in the previous video we showed you how to use little bits of cardboard and some duct tape to keep the staples from going through. Well, this works a whole lot better. And I know it's very hard to see them, but see the staple? It doesn't go all the way through. Well, it did on one, but that was it. So there's an easy way to hang this stuff up, and it literally didn't take very long to put up this whole section up to the front door. So awesome little update. I wish we'd done that to begin with, because that would have saved us some time. Okay, so this is today's progress. You see we got the front decorative wall up. We had some of the stuff that came with the trailer up already, but you know, we're going to be hanging stuff on the outside of that wall a little bit, so we wanted to firm it up a little extra. And this is what we still have to cut out the door over there. We took the window out again so that we can come from the outside and cut through, so we can make an exact copy of the window hole we've already got. So we took the window back out to do that, so we can trim the panel to exact shape. Something really easy that you guys might not think of. If you know you're going to have wires coming out of the walls, make a diagram. So what we're looking at here is basically, you can see how the back is over there. So that would be the back. I've got the window listed. I've got, like, as you can see, 80 inches going to the first set of wires down here. And then you measure from the only thing that's flat in here is basically, you know, the floor is flat and the wheel well is flat. So measure up, not down. So measure it up 38. Yeah. And you'll just keep doing that for every intended space that you want your wires to come out. You'll measure from the floor up, and from either the front back or the back forward, whichever way you want to go. And that will give you an exact place to punch a hole in your boards. And you definitely don't want to just hang your boards, because we also had to do this for the underlayment, the carpet foam underlayment. That told us where things were, so we just took our finger and punched a hole in that, and that worked really well. Now you do have to cut for boards, obviously, but you want to make sure when you're cutting for these, you want to hang these away from the wires so that when you're cutting, you don't cut through your wires. Because I already made that mistake once. Don't be like me. Okay, so that's where we're at. We're going to at least get the window finished and cut out and put the window and reinstall the window to keep animals out until next weekend, when we can get back over here and finish it. But starting to look pretty good.